Hi developers, welcome back to Code Step by Step. My name is Anil. In this part of React and Node.js series, we will learn that how we can create API for search product. So first of all, for that we will make a API route. Then we will write some code to search and fetch data from database. Then we will test this API with the Postman, and this is my Instagram account if you want to follow me there. And you can also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Alright, so now let's start with the first point and create a route for API. So question is what kind of route we will make. So we will create get method, put method, or which one. So for search, obviously we are fetching the data from database. We know that we are filtering and fetching the data, but still whenever we are fetching the data in any ways, that time we always use get type of method. So we will use get route. So just put here, not route, app dot get. And as you know, it have two parameters. First one for route of API, second one for we can say that request and response, right? So let's put here search, and before that we have to put here slash, after that colon key. That key will find the data in not only one field, will multiple field, let's say with the name, with the company and category and all. After that, let's use the second arrow function, and here what we can put here request and response. And let's say we are taking a result, and we have to use here again await, because product model will return a promise, and we can use only this await keyword inside the async function. So we can simply put here product dot find, and inside this we can write the query. But whenever we want to search in the multiple fields, that time we have to just simply use here dollar $or. This is basically a string, and then we will put here array. Inside array we will define a field. So let's say I want to search in name, so we'll put here name colon, again we have to put here dollar rejects, not redux, rejects. This is the key, and value will be request dot params dot key, because we are fetching query param with the key. So let's try to search only with the one field, then we will apply it with the multiple field also. And at the last, what we can do here, response dot send, and here we can use result. So why it is showing a error? So okay, that's removed from automatically. So what we can do here, let's just open the new tab, select the get method, provide the URL. Our API URL is localhost 5000, then search. And with the search, I'm putting here any name. Let's say I want to search here U10, right? So I will just simply put here U, and you can see that we got that U10. So let's say I am just putting here 40, then it will give the two results. Why? Because one with match with the M40, another one is matched with the Nokia 402. Here 40 is actually matched. Even if I am just simply putting here M, it will again give the two result, M40 and M30, right? So this is that how we can search in one field. So let's say you want to search in the two fields. Second field can be, let's say, company, and let's check out the companies. We have Samsung, Nokia, Vivo, and yes, these three companies, and Samsung have the two products. So what I'm going to do here, I am searching with the keyword V, and let's see how many results we will find. So we are not getting any result because we have the capital V there. Again, no result. Okay, let me check what's wrong with it. Company. Okay, I got that issue, but actually that. So thing is that we have to make separate object with the separate field. So we need to just create one more object here for company, and we don't need this comma here. And now let's try to find that, right? So we have a Vivo here. Whenever I will just search with the Vivo, we got that result, right? And whenever I will just search with the Samsung, then we will get two results, right? These two companies are actually match here. And if I just simply put here NO, then again we will get a result with the Nokia. Okay, so let's say you want to add here third field, then just simply copy that object. After the comma, you can put here, let's say, category. Now it will find the data inside the three categories. So I just need to find here. I can show here, if I just search with the MOB, then it will find only one result because it match with the MOB. If I'm putting here small m, then it will find the three results, right? And here you can see that in categories we have one capital and three started with the small m, right? So again, if you want to search with the any other field, let's say you want to search with the 0, then it find the almost 4 result because we have 0 in the all products. U10, the 0 is there, 4020 is 0 is there, and 40 and 30 0 is also there. So with that way we can search with the multiple field. If you still have any kind of query, you can ask me in the comment box, and in next video we will integrate this API with the React.js. Thank you so much for watching this video.